So, hello guys, welcome to Ekam Academy. So, in the key discussion which we have did yesterday regarding with UPSC preliminary examination 2024, so we have interpreted some more stuff into it. So, as it was the initial key, we have prepared some final key and found some errors in the aspects which we have discussed. So, let me discuss those particular components as such. If you see the question number 83, so annual and diurnal range of temperatures are low. Precipitation occurs throughout the year. Precipitation varies between 50 centimeter to 250 centimeter. We have given the answer as equatorial climate and we are sticking to this equatorial type of climate. Some consensus have said it as China type of climate because in China also we have rainfall throughout the year. But in China, winters are somewhat cooler. So annual range of temperature is not low as such. It is bit high. So there is one more discussion which came into picture, that was marine west coast of climate. So in this marine west coast climate, what aspect would be there? You know, like including, is it Mediterranean type, British type? What interpretation UPSC has given, we don't know. So here the option might be A and D, but we are sticking to A itself because in the marine west coast climate, the rainfall doesn't reach this mark of 250 centimeter. In that consensus, it is equatorial climate, but in some regions of British Columbia province along the western coast of USA, we find this marine west coast type of climate which will have up to 250 centimeter of rainfall. But annual range and diurnal range of temperatures which are there, they are low, is a key perception which we have discussed. So for this particular question number 83, we have to wait on for A or D as option. In the key which we are releasing, we have kept this A and D as option in the set number C. So please once cross check this. Okay. And moving further, so for this question number 88, so as I've already said, we have used some chat GPT knowledge in it. So we have said parasitoid species are found in how many of the above organisms. As accordingly, if you could see, these are found in carabid beetles, centipedes and termites. So flies and wasps which are there, we don't have parasitoid species. This we have referred to the book called as Environmental Geography by Iraq Barucha, and we have referred to the environmental geography book written by Savindra Singh. So through those references, these three has come into picture. Yesterday I have said using chat GPT, all five has become the answer. So still we are on the same line. Either three or all five might become the option for it. So please hold on for this, for either three or all five. So these two are the questions where we are giving you both the options. We don't know what basis of interpretation which UPSC would be giving here. And coming to question number 89, consider the following plants. In this, groundnut, horse gram and soybean, all of these particular three, they belong to pea family. There was an error correction. Yesterday we have only given two as option, only to groundnut and horse gram, but soybean also falls under the category of this particular pea family. So please cross check and change this particular option accordingly. Okay. And one more question which is difficult here to be addressed. It was regarding with the waterfall. Yesterday we have said that Gerasoppa waterfall, Netravati, this was wrong one. So here only two options which have been given, they are right, which we have said. But considering Duadar falls on Narmada river, but if you check the region also, it is not along the Malwa region. Malwa plateau is somewhat to the northeastern corner or eastern corner of Madhya Pradesh. But this Narmada river flowing between Vindhyas and Satpuras, it does not touch this particular Malwa. Malwa plateau is north to that of Narmada river. So Duadar waterfalls, Narmada is right, but Malwa is an error in it. So this is also a wrong option. The only right option which we have is Hindru waterfall in Chotanagpur plateau, Suban Rekha. So here only one becomes the option. The rest two are false in this particular junction. So two options हमने गलत दिया है, 99 wala and also, and for rest two options, clear. For rest two options, question number 88 and question number 83, we have given two options, equatorial climate and marine west coast climate. So two options galat the, wo humne hata diya, fir I have changed this, and two options we are in between two. यहाँ पे इक्वेटोरियल क्लाइमेट एंड मेराइन वेस्ट कोस्ट क्लाइमेट में एक आंसर हो सकता है यहाँ पे, बट 90% आई एम स्टिकिंग माई सेल्फ टू इक्वेटोरियल क्लाइमेट इटसेल्फ। एंड कमिंग टू द पैरासाइटिक स्पीसीज, पैरासाइटॉइड स्पीसीज, सो ऑल 5 में भी हो सकते हैं और 3 माइट बी द ऑप्शन। क्लियर? सो प्लीज एक्सक्यूज अप विद दिस पर्टिकुलर एरर्स। तो ये एरर्स ह्यूमन एरर्स है। सो ऑब्वियसली यूपीएससी का क्वेश्चन पेपर इंटरप्रेट करना बहुत मुश्किल की काम है, बट वी हैव डिड इट, सो वी हैव कम अप विद दिस पर्टिकुलर करेक्शन एरर्स एज सच। सो प्लीज ट्राई टू क्रॉस check these particular questions. Thank you for watching this. Have an awesome day. Jai Hind.